$78. Let's just sell at that right here.
But these are the type of trade setups I'm looking for. So that's a $4 reward ratio, 50-cent stop loss. So this is how much we made on the day, a nice $98. Good morning and welcome back, my fellow traders, to another live trading session, another live vlog. Currently, market is tanking here once more again after a big sell-off from yesterday after FOMC. Before we get more and talk more about it, let's show you guys the setup, let's show you guys what we're looking at, and let's get into trading. Goes breaking below our support. Now everything else is falling as a whole as well. There's two things I can do. In 30 seconds, this candle closes and I can take an aggressive entry right away, or I can wait for market, if it even happens, for a pullback enough for us to enter at 130, because right now it's 60 cents away. There's pros and cons to this. The pro is if I enter on an aggressive entry, it could just continue on going down. The only con is if it comes to retest, I'll be down like 20%. Or if I wait for an actual break and retest strategy, I can enter at a very good entry, but the only con is that we might not even get a retest. So I'm not in this trade, but these are the type of trade setups I'm looking for, guys. Something like this, where if you get a nice trend break to the upside off a specific stock and the whole market's going bullish, but in this case, the whole market's not going bullish, this would be a nice entry for some calls here. Tight stop loss, nice risk reward ratio. The reward is, let's see by dollar amounts. So that's a $4 reward ratio compared to a 50-cent stop loss. And what that means is, if in option trading game, this would probably be like a 15-20% on some same day expirations, maybe even 30, whereas the reward is probably well over a couple 100%. I'm not taking that myself, since of course market's not going bullish, everything's still trending down, but that would be a call setup if market was bullish.
We're gonna enter a quick scalp of some Amazon calls here. Got two of them. I'm just in for a quick in and out scalp trade, so I don't plan on holding these for too long. Maybe slapping a quick 15-10% on these ones. I'm in for 270 contract and I have two of them. Market's going very bullish here. 10% here. Nice $56 off 10% if I collect here. I'm gonna try to shoot for a little bit more. I'm in two of them. Maybe I can sell one, keep one, but we're gonna try to shoot for a little bit more. This could be a fat break to the upside. 14% there, $78. Let's just sell at that right here. Let's just collect that.
Slapped a quick call position, almost said scalp, but we did a nice quick scalp on some Microsoft calls here. I'll show you guys my orders, show you guys how quick it was. So it was a quick, it was actually a 6-minute trade, so not necessarily a scalp. Scalp was like 2 minutes, but hopped in two contracts for $276, sold them at $305. I got out a good time. Now they're back at entry. We made a nice quick little $58 on this trade. Saw 78. So I'm back home, 5:26 p.m. and we took some nice calls off SPX. Sorry, puts to the downside of SPX. I'm gonna show you guys my orders, and then we're gonna break it down on the chart and then end it here. So this is how much we made on the day, a nice $98. We could have made a little bit over 100, but we sold with the market orders and they filled us out pretty whack. So we bought two Microsoft for a quick in and out scalp. As you guys see here, a nice 6-minute trade for 276 times 2 and sold at $305 a contract a piece, and had two of them. Then we bought an SPX call, or put, sorry, at 9:25 a.m. sold it 8 minutes later for 120 on a nice put. And all I did was follow this momentum to the downside for a nice break to the downside. So I buy one at 9:25 a.m. and 9:25 a.m. is this candle here. So you guys can see at 9:25 a.m. I just bought the bottom of this quick in and out trade of some nice downside for SPX. Sold it 5 minutes later. So on this candle here, this is how much SPX moves, guys. SPX, one single move to the downside like that was a quick in and out trade. Then it never really got anything below her until later. So those are our orders, and we're up $98 off of those trades. So we did kill it today, and I hope you guys did as well. I'm just gonna eat some dinner, edit up this vlog, chart up for today, and drop some nice trade ideas for tomorrow and for the Discord as well. I drop all my trade ideas for the Discord as well in both chats. So I hope you guys are killing it. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. And if you guys want to join the free Discord, guys, go link in my bio, go on the website and join the free Discord. So I hope to see you guys in either one of them, and let's keep killing it.